So i4 M50. So this, I guess, is the first M model, all electric. I'm not sure why this was not at the show. Is it petrol mica metallic? I guess you need to visit BMW in order to see all the cars. All new BMWs. I'm not sure about the green color. I guess that's only for the track car. I mean for the safety car. They kind of like double down on the kidneys. And it's an M logo. Although it's not the M car, it's an M performance car. It's the M logo on an M performance car. It's not a BMW M car. And I guess we have M performance parts in the front, mirrors, and yeah, the rear spoiler, I guess. I was about to say maybe the exhaust, but yeah, you don't have an exhaust on this car. This looks funny. M performance car without an exhaust. That's interesting. Mint green M4. But yeah, i4 M50. I wonder what the range is on this one. And the weight. So, no M5 here at BMW World. And they love face masks here.